Short final now with the PC-12 inside. 675.
St.barth, roger. Blackfin 462, wind 070 degrees, 12 knots, wind out air shot, final maintenance operation. For the PC-12, your marshaller is waiting for you at Papa 1.
Copy that. I think we have an issue here with the tire for the speed 106.
You have an issue with the tire, you confirm?
I think so, yep.
Okay, we're going to send you the fire department, and we're going to make vacate by Bravo the traffic.
Copy.
For the winner, I think you need to vacate by Bravo because the traffic have an issue.
Yeah, 675, we copy, we understood. We'll expedite vacating Bravo for 675.
Dis-moi, toi, la sécurité de l'auto?
Transmit.
Tu peux aller voir le PC-12, il a un problème là, s'il te plaît, il a un problème de train.
Ok, bien reçu, il faudra juste qu'il ait son moteur.
Roger. For the good speed, the request to shut down the engine for the fire department.
Final 10, blessing, 675, unvacated.
St.barth, roger. Did you copy for the good speed?
Second for 106.
For the fire department, the request to shut down the engine to come.
Okay, standby for speed 106.
Stand-by, roger. Pour la sécurité, il demande d'attendre un peu, donc.
And standby for speed 106, we can do the P4 after the Pilatus exit.
Say again?
We can use parking P4 after the Pilatus exit.
So this is for the good speed 106, correct?
Affirm.
Okay, roger that. Oui, pour la sécurité, donc le PC-12 va essayer de se mettre au Papa 4 dès que le MyFly aura roulé.
Standby for good speed 117, any traffic on final?
Behind the landing caravan, negative traffic reported.
Sorry, we'll line up, landing by runway 10, good speed 116, 117.
So the 117, roger that. Traffic still on the runway and have to vacate by Bravo.
Débarque info de sécurité 1.
Oui, pour la sécurité, donc le PC-12 me dit qu'il va essayer de se mettre à Papa 4 dès que l'autre PC-12 aura roulé. Donc il demande d'attendre.
Ok, reçu, donc le problème c'était quoi exactement?
Bon, ils m'ont dit un problème de train, je ne sais pas plus.
Ok, reçu. MyFly ready to taxi, by traffic, MyFly ready to taxi to Juliana.
So the MyFly Roger, report Alpha 10 in use 070 degrees 11 knots and standby for taxi because we have a caravan will vacate by Bravo.
MyFly, we stand by to taxi and if we can give, you can give us the altimeter please.
Altimeter 1011.
1011, MyFly, confirm.
So the MyFly now report Alpha, the caravan is proceeding western.
Okay, MyFly will report Alpha. And the 106 will be taxiing to the parking.
Okay, roger. Roger, my fly, wind 060 degrees 13 knots, report leaving.
Myfly, may you confirm no reported traffic?
Not reported inbound.
Okay, Myfly will be taking 10 for an immediate to Juliana and we'll call you leaving.
Roger.
And some other thing for good 106 actual watch shutting down here.
Okay, Roger. We're going to send you the fire department and we're going to check with you.
Thank you.
Les sécurités, ils coupent le moteur, là, donc tu peux intervenir. Tu as copié pour la sécurité? Oui, donc il coupe le moteur, là, donc tu peux intervenir.
Le problème, il est où sur lequel train? Le train, je crois que c'est le train arrière gauche.
Je présume, il m'a pas donné de détails, il m'a dit problème de train.
Somebody for good 117, leaving the circuit.
117 with departure, question, with tower 187, have a good day.
187, good 117, have a good night.
Thank you.
St.barth, good day 676 with you, taxiing out 2 souls on board, 1 hour and 10 minutes, back to Juliana.
676 Roger, 10 in use, wind is 060 at 13, altimeter 1011. We have negative inbound traffic reported.
Alright, 676, we'll call you at Alpha. Any traffic for 676?
676, the 060 at 13 report leaving.
Lining up 676.
The bus traffic, my fly is for sure switching to Juliana. Have a nice evening.
My fly, good day, bye-bye.